Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at an all-new 2020 Harris 250 Solstice. This is a 25-foot pontoon. Got a great gray with black accent on the exterior. Got a really big swim platform on this pontoon. Lots of great space. There's a 4-step ladder coming inside this pontoon. As you can see, you got speakers on the back. Transom, you got a radio control there, onshore battery charger. If you look at the pictures, you'll see this layout, how it lays out into multiple different options. Sit facing the rear, got tons of speakers. This was the totally new redesign from last year. Great two-tone color, lots of speakers, lots of cup holders, charging ports for your phones. Nice big loungers here in front. Again, 4 cup holders. This pontoon is equipped with the in-floor storage option. Here at the helm, got a nice Lawrence hook and a JL audio head unit. This control here would control the speakers and the transom if you're sitting at the sandbar. This boat does have the digital throttle, which is amazing. It has a charging port, active trim. It's an amazing boat. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. As always, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.